today I wanted to do just a quick review of the All American Sharpener. This is a tool that is designed to help you sharpen your blades, and not only sharpen your blades, but to help you sharpen your blades with the same angle every time. And that's what really drew me to this. There's been a few tools that I've used in the past to sharpen my blades. I've got them right here. You can use a file, like a metal file like this one, but accuracy isn't very achievable. At least for me it wasn't. It was hard to keep the same angle on the blade. It felt like it was taking forever. I just didn't feel comfortable with it and I didn't really like it. Then I tried to use one of these. This is a drill attachment. So you pop this into your drill, it spins, it's got a nice guide here to use against your blade. But I found that if I'm not paying much attention, I can still tip it forward and backwards. And I found that when it spins, it would jump across the blade a lot for me. And so I didn't really like that, didn't really feel comfortable with it, didn't feel like I was getting much out of it. Then for a while, what I would use was just a small little angle grinder here, and I just put a really heavy duty grit paper on it. That worked okay. I mean, I felt like they were sharpening and they were sharpening faster, but still I wasn't able to maintain the same angle every time I was using this, and that was what was frustrating me. The blade was kind of wobbly and it just wasn't working out. So then I learned about this guy, the All American Sharpener tool. I was really excited to get this. When I got it, I found that it was really easy to put together. The instructions were really clear and it's really simple. All you need to do when you put it together, the only things that you need to provide are 2 bolts and 2 nuts to attach it to whatever you're attaching it to. For me, it's just a table in my garage. If you're, doing lawns for your full-time job or a part-time job and you want to keep one of these in your truck or in your trailer, it's small enough to where it won't take up much space. If you have, like me, just a table in the garage, easy enough. You just have to supply those 2 nuts and bolts because they don't know where you're gonna put it and they don't need to handle that kind of inventory. So simple enough, inexpensive enough to supply those. So what I really like about this is just how simple it is to use. It's essentially just a vise, and you open it up wide enough to fit your blade in there, clamp your blade in, and then the arm here, the bolt on the arm is hollow. That allows you to attach your angle grinder, and they supply these pegs. There's several of them that come in the kit, so depending on which one fits your angle grinder, just put it in the opposite end of your handle. And then that slides in to the bolt, and that is what keeps your angle on every pass that you use this. And then when you're done and you need to just step away or balance your blade, it'll just hang out at the bottom here, no big deal. When you're ready to use it again, bring it back up and you're ready to go. Now, of course, when you're using this in real time, you want to make sure that you're wearing proper safety equipment, you have ear protection, eye protection, the whole get up. You want to make sure, of course, you're wearing shoes because you're going to have metal shavings all over the place, and yeah, safety stuff. So I really like this. I'm really happy to have it. It's worked really nicely for me. This particular model that I have is the 5005 model, and that model allows you to actually adjust the degree of the angle on your blade, which is really cool. So if you want a more aggressive blade, maybe you're going after a lot of sticks or things like that, then you can do that. But if you want just a regular standard angle, you can do that too. This one goes from 15 degrees all the way to 45 degrees. So you get a nice array of choices there with that one. The standard model just has one, and I believe it's at 30 degrees. You'll have to check their website for the details there. But for me, I keep mine set at 30 degrees for my blades on my Time Master, and it's worked out really nicely for me. It saves me a lot of time, and I don't have to ever guess if I'm getting the angle correct or not, because it's doing that for me. It's giving me the same angle every time I make a pass when I sharpen my blades, and I just love that. I think it's really great. So that's really all I have today. I'm of course happy to recommend this product. If you're thinking about getting one, go get one, order one. They're a really nice addition to have in the garage, and they're always ready to go. So to wrap things up with this, I want to do a giveaway. All American Sharpener has donated the second generation of their model 5005 sharpener tool to give away. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and comment down below what you're using to sharpen your blades currently. And I will go ahead and pick a winner from those comments in about a week's time. And then I will do another video to announce the winner. So thank you for watching. I hope that's helpful. I hope you'll check out All American Sharpener. They're a great product and they're a great company with great customer service as well. I've been really enjoying communicating with them. They've been super helpful and it's just been a lot of fun to work with them. So again, All American Sharpener from allamericansharpener.com. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.